Yes, I know. Everybody says I need a gimbal. I'm getting one. Nobody likes to see my footsteps. So right now, I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around the Jeep while we're here. Everybody's been asking me to do a video like this, so since we're sitting here right now, why not? So it's 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. I have a GTHAUS exhaust system on here. Right now, I am rolling with my Weld S71s, which are wrapped with Mickey Thompson ET Street R's 315/50 17s. The front is a Mickey Thompson ET Street SS 275/40 20. Also have Demon Performance rotors and Demon Performance low dust brake pads on here. Pop the hood. This is a 6.2 liter BGE built by TKM and Demon Performance. Currently, I'm about 900 horsepower to the wheels. This cover are made by TBA Machine. A JLT catch can on here with the TBA Machine Ripatuned lid. Has nitrous bars going through the center of it, as well as fuel, and burst panels on the side. All titanium hardware. Polished. I do all the polishing myself. All the custom colors and work, powder coating, hydro dipping, I do all myself. All the decals, I do myself. This is a ram air intake tube 5-inch I made custom. Comes out right here. My air filter is right behind this vent right here. Kooks long tube headers. It's a granite tele thermostat housing that I polished. This is CFM 105 throttle body. These are all TBA Machine billet pulleys. Currently I'm running at 275 pulley on here. I'm pushing about 17 pounds boost peak. So yeah, that's pretty much in a nutshell, Trackhawk. It's slow.
Very slow.
Very slow, that's right. So that's it, guys. Slow ass Jeep. You know what, I'm gonna jump up on top of this thing and get a picture of my Jeep. Let's see if we can climb up this shit without it falling down. Shit. Hold on. Literally put my phone down and climb. There we go. Jackie's gonna move my car up front. Back up. love watching it roll by, man. I like being a fan of my own freaking car. This is crazy. Look at it though. Big old gloss ball.